Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Mera Look. I hope you guys are all fine and safe from coronavirus. People are panicking because of the COVID-19 and stores are running out of the sanitizers, which is the basic need for reducing the contact with the virus. You can easily make the sanitizer at home. It's basically just the alcohol, right? Well, it's more complicated than that. I have done a small research for the perfect measures of all the ingredients which you already have at home. So we're gonna have two ways for making this hand sanitizer. So let's get started. So the first thing you will need some small bottle. I'm using this empty bottle. Will fill almost 75% with the alcohol, almost this much. Till here we'll fill it with the alcohol. I'm using this alcohol here. While buying the alcohol, make sure it's the pure one. I'm using here the 96% alcohol, which is the pure one. And then we will use glycerine for giving some moisturizer to this hand sanitizer. This is the 86% glycerine, which is again almost like pure. So let's start. See, almost 70% I had filled with the alcohol. We'll use the glycerine. And just shake it and it's ready. Now one extra thing that's optional, I prefer using some essential oil for some nice fragrance. So I have this tea tree oil and also this lemongrass oil. So I'm gonna put just 2-3 drops of it. Yeah. Again, just shake it and it's ready. It has really nice fragrance. So this is done. We'll keep it aside. Now I'm gonna show you the second way of making the hand sanitizer. In this way, again, we will use the alcohol and of course the empty bottle, and here we'll replace the glycerine with aloe vera gel. Here I made the fresh aloe vera gel with this. Nothing much you need to do, just take out the gel, grind it well, and then it's ready. So we'll do the same thing. Oops. Again, we're gonna fill this bottle with the alcohol, 75% of alcohol. And now we'll mix this aloe vera gel. You can also use the aloe vera gel which is easily available in the market, the ready one. I prefer using the homemade fresh one. Yeah. Yes. Yeah. And for this one, now I'm gonna use the tea tree oil for the fragrance, which is optional. Again, 2-3 drops of it. Shake it well. And yeah, it's ready. Wow, such a nice smell. So yeah, here we are ready with these two super easy homemade sanitizer which is gonna protect us from the coronavirus. I'll still say you guys that washing your hands with the water and liquid soap is the best. These sanitizers are for the situation where water is not available. So stay safe, stay happy guys. I'll see you soon in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Oh, oops, avoid touching your face. Bye.